Who else suffers from this clip-on problem here? Bought some of these clips off the Bay of Plenty. Gonna replace these knackered ones over here and see if it makes any difference. If not, I'll have to look for another solution. This is what those clips look like. Pretty straightforward. Horseshoe shape. I'm guessing I just got to pull that one out and replace it with that one. Well, the top one went in really nicely. Bottom one's proving to be a little bit tricky. Well, I'm not entirely convinced that that is going to solve the problem. Well, I think it's fair to say that that is a fail. Those do not stay put at all. Well, after the epic fail of those new clips, I have to find a new solution. I'm going to try these. They're from a Jeep XJ. Should look pretty chunky and mean. Fit it up over there. So let's give that a go. I think I'm going to mount these in line with that line there. These two on that side and this one on the fender. Now to mark them up, so I'm going to use some magic marker. I'm going to put a dab of this on the end of each bolt. And this one and that one. That's why I need to drill. Let's mark this side now. Boom, boom, boom. You can see how badly these things are not staying together. Right. Test the theory. Oh yes. I just removed those two tabs that were on the back of this plate. Presumably on the Jeep there's two little recesses actually in the bonnet that they have to go into, which are completely irrelevant in this case, so I just lobbed those off and now I can just screw that back in again. Slip those in. A lot of clicking and banging going on here, man. Man, these clips are bad. There we go. Don't know what was holding up, but happy days. Look at this! That has not exactly worked as I'd hoped. The little rubber attachments which go from that bolt, which rusted overnight virtually, to a little clip over here, just fail within a day. And I asked the seller on eBay to send me new ones. They sent me a new pack, and basically they failed within another week. So I am back to the same problem that I had before of trying to just hold this piece in place, because these clips don't work anymore. I tried to replace those. It was an epic fail. So I'm going to remove these, and I've got something else I'm going to try to solve this common problem with the T4, where this vent grill thing just doesn't stay put. And this is the new kit, a much more robust army equipment looking setup that I'm going to fit in place of those rubbish rubber things. This looks so much better, the cast alloy. So I'm going to try that. It also suits the whole adventure van look quite nicely. So let's give those a go. And there you have it, my new little Jeep inspired front grille connectors. So they work by clipping in like that and then holding it in place. And now I just need to solve a connection at the top there, which will make this a little bit more sturdy. But at least now I won't have the front end popping off. It's just such a pity that this is such a bad design. Anyway, pretty happy with that little upgrade. That's another quick mod done and dusted. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.